SDN OpenFlow Congress is the world's largest software-defined networking forum. As a leader and important contributor in the field of SDN, Huawei was represented by a large delegation at the forum this year. Huawei, its customers, and industry organizations such as ENTC jointly demonstrated and shared insights on the latest SDN NFV technologies and solutions, in addition to outlining key contributions to corresponding standards creation. Based on concepts such as cloud computing, SDN, NFV, and network openness, Huawei showcased its end-to-end softcom strategy for network evolution, which will create new values for its partners and customers by helping them explore market opportunities and achieve their goals.
As I look at Softcom and what Huawei is talking about and introducing, one of the things that strikes me is, first of all, I would say the focus on openness. So originally looking at a lot of supplier roadmaps for moving to SDN, there was still sort of fighting for some proprietary elements to it. Huawei at this point has taken a very open stance, which I think is going to resonate really well with network operators based on an enormous amount of feedback we've had from operator customers. Open is critical. The other interesting thing I would say about Softcom is just the kind of the breadth and scope of what they're undertaking. There aren't many equipment suppliers that have such a wide range of areas that they touch, from the network core to the access to fixed access with passive optical networks and mobile broadband. Softcom, as they look at what they're rolling out for a vision, touches on all of those different parts of the network, which is very ambitious, but not many companies are in a position to pull that off.
You know, so the Softcom, the initiative, the Zoom In project, we are trying to the cooperation with some of our partner together. So that is, we have some demo here. I hope that everybody, if you have interested, you can go to visit our demo. We are cooperating with our major customer.
Huawei's SDN and NFV approach to the market is called Softcom. What I like about what Huawei's done with Softcom and how they're taking it forward is the way they're going with operators and developing real use cases. Well, they're not use cases, they're real deployments. It's not all slideware. What Huawei's doing with Softcom is going to the operators, finding real problems in their network, and then using SDN to solve them, like mobile backhaul, like the EPC, like fixed broadband.
In terms of the, if you like, the software-centric network and the impact on vendors, I think opportunities are the key word there. I think over time there are tremendous opportunities for companies, suppliers that can adapt to that environment. You know, there will be the chance to thrive. However, I do think there's going to be a period of adjustment as well as they sort of move the model from selling hardware-based solutions to software-based and a mixture of the two. So working through the transition is going to be an issue for some, more so than others. But overall, I think you have to look at it in terms of the opportunity it brings rather than what it's going to do to your business on the downside.
A great country like China is big. An operator like China Telecom is thinking about deploying 400,000 devices over the next 2 years just to roll out their LTE devices. And they came to us and they said, show us how SDN can help us manage this network more efficiently and more cost effectively. So that is an ongoing work. We have shown that by centralizing the control, we can achieve significant OPEX and CAPEX savings.
Huawei is one of the companies that has, so it's in the early stages of software-defined networking and network function virtualization, and there's a lot of standards to be done, and there's a lot of research and development to be had. So if there's any company that has enough resources and strength to facilitate this, it's Huawei. Their global reach in terms of research and development and ability to execute on hardware and software is one of the leading in the industry right now.
Software-defined network called SDN is a major development in the industry for next generation data networking. In Huawei Shandong IT Lab, we made some major advances in SDN technologies. In particular, we developed an end-to-end SDN solution for SDN-based cloud platform that includes the generalized SDN controller SOCs, both hardware and software-based SDN OpenFlow switches, resource-oriented architecture-based SDN northbound API, and also multi-pass algorithms for smart SDN TE that can significantly and dynamically improve resource utilization under various operating conditions.
It is wonderful that we have all the industry analysts who are the speakers at this Congress. At our analyst breakfast, we also had one-on-one briefings with most of them. The conversation with these analysts proved to be enlightening, illuminating, and inspiring. At this forum, we enriched the industry with the most futuristic and insightful ideas on SDN and NFV. We heard quite positive comments on our SOFCOM strategy, our breakthrough SDN and NFV technologies, as well as our end-to-end SDN NFV solutions for our customers. As one of the most active participants at this forum, Huawei highlighted its commitment to continuing to work in collaboration with industry partners to explore the potential commercial value of SOFCOM and to build an open ecosystem.